Well, it's nearly Christmas, and that can only mean one thing. It's time to fix something hideous that should probably be burnt. I give you this thing. Yes, it's a Father Christmas wearing sunglasses, playing a saxophone. Obviously. It doesn't work, apparently. I'll pop some batteries in to test. I think it's going to be quite an easy fix, but hey, it is Christmas. I've had enough of this hat already. Haircut. Right, let's open up his feet and put some batteries in. Oh, he's got 2 battery compartments. I presume the switch is that. Whoa, that switch is hard to switch. Okay, let's open these 2 up. 2 batteries in there. And 1 in there, wow. 4.5 volts. Okay, it's already on. It says press here. Just make sure the switch isn't back to front. No. Right, so my first thoughts here are either this momentary switch here doesn't work, or this switch doesn't work, or there's a loose wire which doesn't connect here to here. I wonder if we get 4.5 volts between there and there. Multimeter in voltage DC. So would it be from there to there? That's 1.5 volts. Let's just do it here. So from there to there, 1.6. From there to there, 1.6. So from there to there, that should be... No, there... Wait, hang on, I'm doing this all wrong. There to there should be 3.2. But it's 2.9. That doesn't add up. Anyway, so from there, maybe to there. What? I think we might have a loose wire. Unless I'm just doing this completely wrong. I am not getting the voltage. Let's just check here. 1.5. Yeah. I might be doing that completely wrong, but I think that's the problem. Right, well, let's completely remove his shoes and let's see if we've got any loose wires. Oh, the switch is built into that. Okay, well, I can test that. Continuity. So, there to there, there's nothing, but if I press it... oh, this is really difficult. There to there. I don't have another hand. There we go. Yeah, it works. So that switch is okay. Is this wiring okay? Yeah, looks it. I mean, it goes up here, and then presumably goes through his crotch area, and then through to this bit. So I think I'm going to have to undo this one as well. Right, so we've got 2 wires coming in there. There's nothing loose. Wire from here goes to the switch and then back out again. So yellow and red, and then we've got yellow and orange. I'm confused. Why are they different? These must run off to somewhere else up here, and then back. Well, let's check this switch. See if this switch is working. I think my initial prognosis, is that the right word, was incorrect. Right. So we should have the switches in the off position. So we should have continuity between there and there. Which we don't. Do we have it there and there? No. So in the on position, we should have it between there and there. Which we don't. So that switch is not working in any position. Interesting. Or is it? Right, I think we need to take that out and have a look at that. That looks like it is the culprit. Oh, that's a nasty looking black mark right there. And that doesn't look too clever either. I don't know if you can see that. I think we'll get this under the microscope. Not quite sure what's happened there. Oh, wow. So that... How has that happened? These two are, like, completely ruined. Especially that end one. Okay. Let's have a look at the other piece. Oh, my lord! I can't get it the right way up now. There. That is... Okay, well, I think that's the problem. I don't know whether I'm going to be able to fix this or whether I'm going to need to replace it. I mean, I'd like to just fix it. I don't want to spend any money on this piece of junk. Let me get some blue tack. I'll see if I can clean these up. Maybe this is a job for the grinding pan. That didn't work. I pushed it in a bit further this time. Okay. That seems alright. Nice. It only has to be on the top bit, doesn't it, where it makes the contact. That looks like it's misshapen. Right, let's just see if we can get this switch back together. Get off. So that should have a spring in there, and then that on the top. No, that's the wrong way around, Steve. That's better. And then that, when you slide the switch along, that's what makes contact with two of these. So I'm going to flip this the other way around, and then I'm only reliant on the middle one and the one that's actually okay. So I'm going to make those the on position. Oh dear. So I need to put this through here. Okay. So what I need to be doing is soldering to... Oh, I've forgotten now. Why's that got a bit of solder on it? It shouldn't have, should it? Anyway, I'm going to solder to the middle one and this one, because it was originally soldered to those two, and they were the ones that were all discoloured. Oh, it's like I've forgotten how to solder. Not for the first time. I think that'll do. Right, let's see if that works. Why didn't I check it with continuity before I did this? Ah, well, I was doing it wrong anyway. I was putting it in upside down. So that's for the best. Then I just thought of doing the continuity test. Sorry, continuity test. So between there and there. Wait, what? Oh, that's not right. Oh, no, it is. It's in the off position, right? That is right. So yeah, we should have it between there and there, but not there and there, which we do not. Right, if I switch that, so that should be now on. We should have it there and there, which we do, and not there and there. Okay, that's not what it was doing before. Let's put it in the right way around this time. Sunglasses are falling off. Right. So let's turn it on. Okay. And let's press the button. Oh wait, was it already on? It was already on. Now let's press the button. Ha 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 ha! Why is only one of his cheeks lighting up? Oh no, there you go. Well, that was well worth fixing. Merry Christmas, everybody.
Merry Fixmas, bring everyone together, 'cause Christmas time is when we fix things, make them better. Merry Fixmas, now we can get together at Christmas time and we can fix things, make them better.